G'day everyone, we're going to be showing you how you can deck it yourself.
We're here in Richmond where this old timber deck is literally starting to fall apart. Join us as we transform this deck into a brand new Ekodeck over just a few days.
Rightio, let's get stuck in and rip the deck up.
To rip up the old deck, we're going to cut the boards along the joists to get them into bite-sized pieces. This makes it way easier to pull the boards up. With the decking boards up, we'll also remove the joists as they're rotted out too. We're keeping the bearers as they're still solid, but are raking out some dirt under the deck to give some ground clearance and airflow. That's it for day one. Check out the rest of our Deck It Yourself series to see how this turns out.